After missing its initial debut date of December 16th for unclear reasons, the Red Magic 8 Pro will be arriving on December 26th. With smooth sides and amazingly tiny bezels, the Red Magic 8 Pro will significantly alter the series. Not just that, the new gaming-focused smartphone will have a 6000 mAh battery according to a few hints that have been released on Weibo. Additionally, it supports charging at rates of up to 165 watt, which means that a complete charge will occur in less than 30 minutes. It will have an 8C battery, meaning there are 8 separate cells for safety and efficiency, and will be charged with 3 different outputs simultaneously to protect the device. So it's not just bigger and faster, it's safer as well. As for screen, it's a newly developed BOE screen with symmetrical 1.48mm side bezels and a claimed 93.7% screen-to-body ratio. And it will feature an under-display selfie camera, though the exact specification is unknown. And it also gets 120Hz refresh rate. This phone does look futuristic. It has clearly taken inspiration from either the Sony phones or Samsung Note that are more squarish in design. Maybe the camera placement could have been better, but that's just my opinion. Red Magic 8 Pro will be available in 2 designs with a standard version and a transparent edition. Meanwhile, both design variants will feature a 50MP Samsung GN5 primary camera sensor according to details shared by the company. The image of the Nubia Red Magic 8 Transparent Edition also includes a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 icon at the back, which was expected from a phone of this caliber. Also, there is another chip for gaming called Redcore R2 Game Chip, which can accurately adjust shoulder keys, vibration, touch and sound effects. So this will be a complete package. The clear glass panel reveals an RGB-enabled active cooling fan, along with a variety of cooling solutions to keep the phone cool during long gaming sessions. Right now, this is all we know. Thank you for watching the whole video and catch you in the next one.